Hi, it's Brent with Kansas Hydrographics, coming back with another pattern of the week. We call this black and silver marble splash. It is a black, silver, and transparent film. It's a full 1 meter wide. I've seen a lot of really neat projects done with this film. You can use any base coat color underneath this. All of the white scratches that you see in it now are transparent. Running our tank at 32 Celsius, 90 degrees Fahrenheit. We give it a 60-second soak time. A couple passes of activator. We've never dipped these films either. This is all testing. If this film doesn't work, we never release it on the website and you never get to see it, but at least you know that everything that we have has been tested. There is a lot of black ink in this film, so I gave it a little bit more than 2 passes. A lot of ink. There is the black and silver marble splash. And you can purchase this at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.